Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Instagram Meta AI option not showing problem. Let's see how to fix this problem following all steps. Do not skip. Open on Google Play Store. Click on search. Search Instagram app. Search Instagram app. Update Instagram app. Go to phone setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Search Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Go to Instagram. Now Instagram Meta AI option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.